Guys, 3-bedroom unit sa Actual Bonifacio PEC by Megaworld. So, check natin. So, upon entering guys, we have the powder room. Next is the kitchen with 4-burner cooktop, oven, range hood, and built-in kitchen cabinets na granite na with fridge. So, here naman is the maid's room or can be used as walk-in pantry. So, dito naman guys, may sarili tayong toilet and bath and provision for washer and dryer. Naka-bar type kitchen na din tayo for dining area, and here is the living area with split type aircon na and access sa balcony. So, may natural light tayo dito guys. Kasya dito yung table and chairs natin guys kung gusto nyong magpahinga outdoor. So, tapos na sa common area. So, dito naman is yung common toilet and bath. So, floor to ceiling na ceramic tiles na rin siya. Complete na with sanitary fittings. So, ito yung first bedroom with modular closet. And each bedroom guys may sarili tayong split type aircon. So, puntahan natin yung second bedroom. Maluwag ang hallway natin dito guys. So, pwedeng lagyan ng design. So, sa second bedroom naman guys, same lang din. Modular closet, split type aircon. So, next naman, punta tayo sa master's bedroom. So, may sarili tong walk-in closet. So, yung master's toilet and bath naman dito guys, may bathtub na and complete na rin ng sanitary fittings. And may sarili tong balcony. So, kung interesado kayo sa mga ganitong klase ng unit, especially sa BGC, may bago kaming project na no down payment promo, 0% interest. So, pre-selling yon. Kung interesado kayo, message nyo lang ako. So, that's it. Bye!